Do you want to know what Bitcoin is and why it's suddenly taking the world? Then watch this video. You'll learn everything you need to know about this new, revolutionary currency. Welcome to Moify Board, the most beginner-friendly crypto educational channel where we explain everything about crypto and DeFi using whiteboard animation. If you are interested to learn more about crypto, make sure to subscribe, enable all notifications, and join our Telegram group. The link is in the description. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency and a payment system, first proposed by an anonymous person or group of people under the name Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services. There are over 100,000 merchants and vendors already accepting Bitcoin as payment. Bitcoin can also be held as an investment. According to research produced by Cambridge University, there are 2.9 to 5.8 million unique users using a cryptocurrency wallet, most of them using Bitcoin. Bitcoin is different from traditional currencies because it is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. The network is peer-to-peer. It is a decentralized network of computers, which is called a node. Nodes are the computers that make up a network, and each node has a unique IP address. In the context of cryptocurrencies, nodes are used to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. They can also be used to relay information about new transactions to other nodes on the network. Transactions take place between users directly, without an intermediary. These transactions are verified by network nodes through the use of cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. You can learn more about blockchain in this video. A cryptography is a technique used to protect information or communication from unauthorized access. It is a mathematical science that uses mathematical algorithms to encode and decode data. Bitcoin is deflationary, meaning that there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins created. This makes it a limited and valuable resource, which will only become more valuable as demand for it increases. Bitcoin transactions are fast, cheap, and secure. They can be made without the need for a third party such as a bank or financial institution. Bitcoin is not anonymous, but it is pseudonymous. This means that while your identity is not attached to your Bitcoin address, all transactions are publicly visible on the blockchain. A Bitcoin address is a unique string of numbers and letters that represents a destination for a Bitcoin payment. They look like this. You can use a Bitcoin address to receive payments or make payments to anyone in the world. Bitcoin addresses are used to identify where Bitcoins are being sent and received from. Bitcoin use a hash function called SHA-256. The output of a SHA-256 hash function is known as a message digest. It's basically a long string of numbers and letters that represents the data being hashed. The message digests are then compared to each other. If they match, then the transaction is valid and is added to the blockchain. How to buy Bitcoin? There are a few different ways to buy Bitcoin. You can buy them with fiat currency, like USD, EUR, etc. You could trade for them with other cryptocurrencies, or you could mine them. Mining is how new Bitcoins are created. Miners are basically just people with powerful computers that run a Bitcoin mining program. When they run the program, it searches for new blocks of data in the blockchain that it can add to the end of the chain. When it finds a new block, it adds it to the chain and gets a reward in Bitcoins for doing so. The more blocks a miner can add to the chain, the more Bitcoins they earn. We will make a separate video about mining since it's a long topic to cover. Bitcoin in 2022 has a total market value of $400 billion. That would make it bigger than JP Morgan Chase, the largest bank in the United States. If you're interested in investing in Bitcoin, be sure to do your research before making any decisions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.